In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable background syncing on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook browser and select the three-dotted icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left panel, select Privacy and Security. And then on the right side, underneath Privacy and Security, select Site Settings. Scrolling down, expand Additional Permissions and select Background Sync. You want to accept or have the first option to recently closed sites can finish sending and receiving data, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.